Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution for the first question from the lesson integrals in exercise 7.1. The question is integral of x power 5 dx. So first to solve that, let's write out the formula. Integral of x power n dx is x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. So I'm applying this formula for this subsection. So here the n is 5. So after integration, the x power will be raised to 6 by 6 plus c. Now let's take up the second subdivision in this question. It is integral of 1 divided by x cube dx. So before doing the integration, let's see how I'm changing this. I'm rewriting this integration as integral of x to the power minus 3 dx. Now it's easy to apply the formula, isn't it? So this will be integral after integration. It is minus 3 plus 1. So it is x power minus 2 by minus 2 plus c. So if I have to rewrite, I can write this as minus 1 by 2 x squared plus c. Now let's take up the last subdivision in this question. It is integral of 1 divided by root y dy. So this time I'm integrating the variable y with respect to dy. So directly you can apply the formula, no issues. So before we apply the formula, let's rewrite this. So this can be written as integral y to the power minus half dy. Now let's apply the formula. So wherever there is n, I'm going to use the number as minus half. So minus half plus 1 is plus half. So after integration, this is y power half divided by half plus c. So if I have to rewrite, this 2 will go to the numerator. So 2 y to the power half is nothing but root y. So 2 root y plus c. In the next video, we will see how to solve the second question in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.